the smooth things which are going on, it collapsed in 2020. When China, June 15th, 2020, the Chinese troops attacked Indians or Indian troops. There was a hand-to-hand fight. It was not, they did not use big, machine guns or tanks or anything, chaku or, danda like a fight came, very, a primitive style of fighting. And in the process, we lost 20 soldiers. At least we know how much we lost. Okay, we lost 20 soldiers. 20 souls. Some of them were even pushed down from the hilltop. It seems that they fell into the, gorges, and they died like that also. Okay, at least 20 Indian soldiers were killed. How many Chinese soldiers were killed, we don't know. We say that we might have managed to kill some. I'm sure. ऐसा नहीं कि वो आ रहे हम लोग मार खा रहे और कुछ हम लोग नहीं, कुछ तो किया होगा हम लोग भी. They also might have lost some soldiers, but China has never revealed whether they lost any soldiers or not. So this is, first time in almost 45 years. In almost 45 years, there was, aggression in the LAC, line of actual control. So because hardly any firing between India and China during this time. So it was a big blow, and China unilaterally altered the line of actual control. Please note, this is a point I am making. This line of actual control also came and it was decided by China in 1962. They decided to withdraw from certain region and say that this is my area, don't come here, the rest is yours. But so now it was going on as anything further in the western side of this line, it was supposed to be India's, even though there is no agreement between India and China regarding this. But in 2020, what did they do? They unilaterally changed that line once again. They changed, especially in this, the Pangong Lake. You can see here a lake. Let me show you. Aksai Chin. So many glacial lakes are here. Okay, so many lakes are there. Salt Lake is mentioned. Now, this is the lake, Pangong So. Can you see that? Pangong, Pangong So. You can see this. It's a big lake, very elongated one. See, huge one. Now, the line of control passed through the middle of this lake. This is the boundary line which we are claiming. Okay, but boundary is not exactly here. So what has happened is, now they have even changed that. So this is the lake we are talking. Okay, the lake here. So we have unilaterally, or rather China has unilaterally changed all these things. And now, at least from what we were enjoying, what we were holding, at least 2,000 square kilometers, according to experts, China has altered and pushed into the so-called Indian territory. I'm using this term so-called because even the other side we know it is supposed to be Indian territory, that's what we are claiming. But what was there with us till 2020, till June 2020, we Chinese have changed the line such a way that China is occupying almost another 2,000 square kilometers from what we were using. Okay, so this was a unilateral step, and we were shocked. We never anticipated. We never thought that China will be doing like this kind of, even the aggression we never anticipated. So, this is because of the mutual suspicion. Then since then, this is 2020, we are in 2025 right now, almost 5 years have gone, not 5 years, 2020 June, now we are in July 2025, 5 years have gone. Now since then, some, talks were going on. And we were talking about disengagement. disengagement talks were going on, 5 years. Last year, in September 2024, it was declared by our foreign minister that around 75% of the problems are resolved.